Hello and welcome to today's quick tutorial. If you often miss Zoom meetings, this feature will help you stay on time. In this video, I'll show you how to enable meeting reminders using the Zoom app on your Android phone. It's easy, and you'll never miss a meeting again. Open the Zoom app on your Android phone. Look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on More. From the menu that appears, select Meetings. Now scroll down until you see the option called Meeting Reminder. Tap on it. Choose how many minutes before a meeting you'd like to receive a reminder. You can select from the available options like 5, 10, or 15 minutes or more. Once selected, your reminder setting will be saved automatically. You can come back anytime to change it. And that's it. You've just enabled meeting reminders on Zoom. Simple and effective. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more helpful tech tips like this one. See you next time.